A pleasant good evening to receive R. Bhuminathan, CEO, Chennai Samirtha International Institute of Hotel Management, to receive Narasimhan, Chairman Rashi Group of Companies, Thiru Paraman Pachimuthu, Founder, Manarchi, Thiru A. Huda, Chairman and Managing Director, United India Insurance, Thiru S.K. Kalairasan, CEO, Tharshal Academy, Thiru Jainanak Singh, CEO, Training Minds, distinguished invitees, management, faculty, staff and students of Chennai Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to present offer letters, scholarships, free life insurance for staff and students of Chennai's Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management and address the students in this distinguished gathering here today. India is known for its rich heritage, culture and tradition, humanness, hospitality, and friendly relations with the nations across the globe. The people of Tamil Nadu are known for their compassion, kindness, hospitality, and their rich culture stands testimony to this. The Indian tourism and hospitality industry has emerged as one of the key drivers of growth among the services sector in India. Tourism in India has significant potential because of its rich cultural heritage, variety in ecology, terrains and places of natural beauty spread across the country. Tourism is also a large employment generator, besides being a significant source of foreign exchange for the country. It is high time the tourism industry formulates plans to meet the increasing demand of skilled and trained manpower by enhancing hospitality education on par with international standards and in upgrading skills of existing service providers. The tourism and hospitality sector is among the top 15 sectors in which India attracts highest foreign direct investment. I am told that during the period from April 2000 till September 2015, the hotel and tourism sector has attracted around 8.48 billion US dollars of FDI, according to the data released by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. Job opportunities in the hotel industry are on rise. Many companies have invested in the tourism and hospitality sector in India, realizing India's potential. India's travel and tourism industry's growth is on a high trajectory with the inflow of medical tourists. Our introduction of e-visa scheme, the tourism industry is expected to expand further and tourist inflow to India will double. I congratulate the initiatives taken by Chennai's Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management to provide skill-based training. I am sure this will facilitate more employment opportunities. The efforts taken by Chennai's Amrita to provide practical skill-based training to students will be very helpful. I am happy to learn that in the recently organized job fair in Chennai's Amrita, 2,286 students got placement. The initiatives by Chennai's Amrita to provide health and accidental coverage under the United Life Insurance Plan to its staff and students deserve a special mention. I wish the Chennai's Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management grow from strength to strength in the years to come. My greetings to you all. Jai Hind.